Yeah! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. It is great to see you all again. Today, we are going to draw a spooky character. You may have seen it at a costume party when kids go door to door to trick or treat. In a haunted house. Or even in scary movies. Have you guessed it yet? That's right! Today, we will be drawing a ghost. So grab your pencil and a sheet of white paper and let's get started. Let's begin our drawing. First, draw a square shape. Your square should at least be half the size of your piece of paper. This will be our background. Now, let's draw the head of our ghost. Draw a half circle in the top part of the square. Time to draw the arms of our ghost. Let's make them look like waves. That's because our ghost doesn't have long arms and fingers like humans do. From the right edge of your half circle, draw a small upward curve from left to right. Now, draw a small downward curve. And again, from the bottom right point of that curve, draw one more small upward curve, followed by another small downward curve. The right arm of your ghost should look wavy. Now, do the same from the left edge of your ghost's head. Draw a small upward curve from right to left. Then, draw a small downward curve from right to left. And again, from the bottom left end point of that curve, draw one more small upward curve, followed by another small downward curve. Did you know that Halloween has its origins thousands of years ago? Before becoming known today as Halloween, it used to be known as All Hallows' Eve. It was a celebration to mark the end of the harvest months in Ireland and Scotland. Time to draw the rest of our ghost's body. Let's start with the right side. At the open end point of your last curve, right there, draw a small upward curve from right to left. But this time, when drawing the end part, make sure to draw a long straight line going downwards. Do the same on the left side of our ghost. From the end point of the left arm, draw a small upward curve from right to left. But this time again, make sure to draw a long straight line going downwards when drawing the end of your curve. Great job, everyone! And now finally, to connect both endpoints of the long straight lines you just drew, draw small curves in a row in the shape of small waves, one after the other. You can start from either side. It's up to you. On to the eyes. On your ghost's face, right here, draw two big ovals. Then, draw one smaller oval inside each of those big ovals. Your ghost looks really spooky. Now let's give our ghost a mouth. Underneath the eyes, draw a thin oval shape. A very long time ago, during what is now called Halloween, children would put on costumes and go from door to door while singing for food or money. This is why on October 31st, kids go door to door dressed up in costumes and hoping to receive candy. Now it's time to add some color. You can follow our suggestions or choose your own colors. It's up to you. For our ghost, we will be using purple, black, light green, and white. First, use the purple crayon to color the background. Don't forget to only color around the ghost. Now take your black crayon and color the two little ovals inside the eyes. With that same crayon, shade the mouth. Time to take your light green crayon to color the eyes. Make sure to color the big ovals around the little ovals we just colored with black crayon. Well done, everyone! By coloring the eyes green, it makes our ghost look a little scarier, don't you think? Finally, you can color your ghost with a white crayon, or leave it as the color of the white paper. Your ghost is finally ready for Halloween. Parents, your child has done an amazing job. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.